So now we will do this one. This is the next page, that is page number 45. We'll learn how to do minus 8 and minus 8. See, we have already done this thing. Can you hear me?
Yes.
We know 8 plus 2 is equal to 10, and we have done plus 8 is equal to plus 8 is equal to plus 10 minus 2. This we have done. Also we have done this one. Plus 8 is equal to plus 10 minus 5 plus 3. Now we will do the opposite thing. Okay. See, you have also done minus 8 is equal to minus 10 plus 2. Now we are about to do minus 8 with the help of both big and small print. So minus 8 is equal to
How many?
minus
So many.
10. Yes, so many. That if you learn so many, then only you will become perfect in calculation. So we will do minus 8 is equal to minus 10 plus 5 minus 3. This is what we are going to do today. Okay. So let me solve the first question for you. Slowly. Okay. First question is, you said plus 8. Yes, plus 8 is there. So this is plus 8. And the next number is plus 5. How we do plus 5? It's very simple. Plus 5 is, focus, plus 5 is plus 10 minus 5. Then minus 8. How we will do minus 8? Minus 8 is equal to minus 10 plus 5 and minus 3. What is the answer?
5.
5, yes.